Hello everyone, I am Garima Jain, intern of UB Advocate under Jeevan Sir, AOR, Supreme Court. Today I want to talk about the concept of anticipatory bail and the landmark judgment of Sushila Agarwal versus NCT of Delhi. Section 438 of the CRPC provides the concept of anticipatory bail under the heading of direction for grant of bail to a person apprehending arrest. In simple words, an anticipatory bail is a bail granted to a person who is apprehending his arrest. The provision under 438 allows a person to seek bail either from the Court of Session or from the High Court on acquisition of having committed a non-bailable offence. And when the court grants him an anticipatory bail, it makes a direction that in the event of his arrest, such person shall be released on bail. It seems very easy about the concept of anticipatory bail, but the problem with this concept lies with the confusion because various courts have pronounced various different views and contradictory views regarding the scope of anticipatory bail and as to whether it should be time bound or not. Some of the most important judgments in this regard are: number one, Gurbaksh Singh Sibia versus State of Punjab. In this case, it was held that the grant of anticipatory bail should not be time bound. There is no time restriction with the grant of anticipatory bail, and it is the court who has absolute discretion with regard to the duration of anticipatory bail. It can vary from a few weeks to the time of filing of FIR, or it can even continue till the end of the trial. The same was held in the case of Siddharam Satlingappa Maitre versus State of Maharashtra. The court was of the view that once the order of anticipatory bail is granted, it ordinarily subsists during the entire duration of the trial. But in the case of Salahuddin Abdul Samad Sheikh versus the State of Maharashtra, in this case, the Supreme Court overruled its earlier judgment in Gurbaksh Singh Sibia and held that the grant of anticipatory bail should be limited by time. It was again realized that an order of anticipatory bail could even be obtained in cases of serious natures such as murder, and therefore it is necessary and essential to reduce the duration of the order of anticipatory bail, and it should be time bound. Again, in the case of Satpal Singh versus State of Punjab, another case is HDFC Bank Limited versus JJ Manan. In this case also, the court held that the protection under section 438 CRPC is available to the accused till the court summons the accused based on the charge sheet. On such appearance, the accused has to again file for an application of bail to the regular court. So after the analysis of all these judgments, one thing is clear, is that there is a confusion with regard to the scope of anticipatory bail. One side contends that it is not time bound, while the other says that it should be limited. It should be for a limited period of time. Therefore, to resolve this controversy, a reference was made to the constitutional bench of the Supreme Court in the case of Sushila Agarwal versus NCT of Delhi. In this case, two issues were raised before the court. First, whether the protection granted to a person under section 438 CRPC should be limited to a fixed period. Number two, whether the life of anticipatory bail should end at the time and stage when the accused is summoned by the court. The Supreme Court, with regard to the first issue, held that the protection under section 438 cannot be limited to a fixed period of time, and it should be in the favor of the accused without any restrictions on time. While answering this second issue, the court held that the life and duration of anticipatory bail does not normally end at the time and stage when the accused is summoned by the court or when the charges are framed against him, but it can continue till the end of the trial. The court, however, further said that if there are any special circumstances which requires the court that it has to limit the tenure of anticipatory bail or it has to impose certain conditions on the accused, the court is open to do so. Thus, the court in the landmark judgment of Sushila Agarwal versus NCT of Delhi settled the controversy by concluding that there is no limitation on the duration of anticipatory bail and that it depends on the case-to-case basis about the duration of the anticipatory bail, and the court can also impose certain conditions on the bail. Thank you.